Right, Todd. Thanks. Fingers crossed. That's a cross. Okay, so switching gears here, mistreatment of older persons affects an estimated 1 in every 10 people aged 6 years or older each year, or more than 7 million Americans, according to the National Institute of Justice. Local organization Meritan is part of the coordinated response to elder abuse in Shelby County. To learn more about their work, we are live with Nirali Zalawadia and registered nurse Liz Dayton, both with the nonprofit. Thank you for joining us this morning. Yeah, I mean, what an issue. Liz, first let's find out though, what is Meritan?
Meritan is a nonprofit organization that does lots of different types of social services. We have foster care, we have a home-based community service, home-based community care, which is like caregivers in the home to help out. Then we have home health services. We have there's
Nirali, so much going on. Yeah.
I'm trying to.
I mean, it's great. Yeah, you don't want to forget anything because there's so much to offer. And so, Nirali, if you could explain what you describe as coordinated response to elder abuse in Shelby County and Meritan's role in that.
Yes, so Meritan now houses the initiative. So we act as a hub in this hub and spoke system, and then we have multiple CREA partners within Shelby County that we refer out to. They'll refer to us. It's kind of a back and forth, but Meritan, we house 2 CREA care coordinators who are responsible for coordinating with our partners, etc. We have our nurse Liz and our medical director who go out and conduct medical assessments, prepare them for emergency housing, and we do a lot of stuff.
It's a very heavy job, and,
yes.
and there are not enough people out there and not enough eyes on it, and then also maybe not enough understanding of what's going on if somebody is non-vocal or can't really express what's happening to them. So let's just talk about some of the signs, Liz, of elder abuse.
So a lot of the biggest signs, or like you said, it happens behind closed doors. It's not something that happens in front of everybody in the public, and especially when COVID happened, everything moved indoors and doors closed, and people were afraid to be around other people. And so it is oftentimes a result of caregiver burnout. It's not always intentional. Financial abuse is one of the top types of abuse that's happening to our elders right now. These phone scams that are happening they get so many phone calls throughout the day, and they inadvertently give out information. They think it's somebody they know, or they think they're changing their insurance, and they're not.
Can I back you up on that? Because my mom's phone just literally rings and rings and rings, and I have to go in, block, and then report. So it's like this whole thing, and sometimes there are things that that senior citizen cares about, and so they're clicking on things and opening things. Yes.
And emails that look legitimate, but they're not. So financial abuse is some of the top abuse that we are seeing at this time. There is physical abuse that is actually assaulting a senior, and then you have the neglect, and that is just not providing the care that someone needs. And it's very hard when someone is aging and their disease process is progressing, that you are picking up and realizing what their needs actually are during that change.
And Nirali, let's we're hearing about the top things that are being done. How widespread is this issue?
I mean, so it can be happening next door and you don't even know it, you know? It's all about awareness, knowing what to do. I know several individuals may be hesitant to report because they're ashamed, and some individuals just don't know
what to do. Well, that's a very good segue to give people the tools that they need to report elder abuse. Please do.
So it's a mandatory report state. So if you're over the age of 18 and you suspect abuse, you are required by law to report to Adult Protective Services. And you can do that online or their 800 number, and you can do that 24 hours a day. So we always say, when in doubt, speak out. You don't have to know for sure there's abuse. You just have to suspect it. And then people come in that can investigate it, and different teams get brought in. You can also call Meritan at 901-766-0600 and report a case after you have reported it to Adult Protective Services, because we're always going to defer to report to Adult Protective Services first.
Okay, and I mean, this is just incredible information, and so just put those numbers down, have them available, and we really appreciate you helping us to just parse through what it looks like and what to do if we suspect that it's happening. Appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This morning, coming up next, a career that helps save lives could be just an application away. Find out where and when the Memphis Fire Department is recruiting new hires. Plus, restoration efforts are underway at a South Memphis historic cemetery. Learn how you can help the organization spearheading this work at Mount Carmel Cemetery.